Because of youth work, I got a place in college. They pushed me to do my best and supported me because they knew I could do it, and I did.
Wedi cael cyfleoedd I fynd ar deithiau sgyrsiol ag ati, a magu hyder a gwneud ffrindiau newydd, a hynny gyd drwy gyfrwng y Gymraeg.
Youth work has given me advice and support when I needed it the most, but they always kept things confidential. They helped me become a more independent and confident person.
Two years ago, my involvement with youth work has helped me to get a part-time job where I learnt new skills that led to full-time.
Gyda'r urdd, o'n i'n gallu cwrdd efo ffrindiau bob nos Wener, a o'n i'n gallu mynd ar teithiau I wneud gweithgareddau awyr agored, a hwnna wedi helpu rhoi hyder I mi a paratoi fi i'r brifysgol.
I fi, rhan pwysica gwaith Ieuenctid yw dod I nabod pobl ifanc eraill a gwneud ffrindiau newydd ar draws Cymru, a dwi'n gwneud hyn wrth gynrychioli'r urdd ar Senedd Ieuenctid Cymru.